Okay, I just come off Reelfoot today. I was trying to catch one like that, but I never seen one like that. But I was kind of going to show everybody, of course, using Minn Kota trolling motor, 34 live scope. They got your cornfield crappie transducer holder and the brackets, and I've also got the breakaway or breakdown depth finder holder. I love those from cornfield. And of course, there's never nothing but being imposed in my boat. And it's been real bad windy today. And what I was going to tell people, if you're going to learn how to be good at live scope fishing, you're going to have to go when it's windy. You can't just wait on the pretty days. That's not going to make you better at it. Also got the real strong bracket holding this 15 helix on by cornfield. And I was going to kind of show y'all what it was like today out here, windy. I'm not real good at filming, so be patient with me. That's what you can do when it's windy, if you just take your time and practice with it. And these are just real nice fish. I don't think I've got but one under a pound out of my 20. You can see they're just great fish. And folks, I didn't get up here to almost dinner today. The fish are biting at Reelfoot. It's real good here now. You can see, I'm not going to throw them all out, but you can see there's a lot of nice fish in here. But I was just going to give y'all a short video and show y'all what's going on here. Thank y'all.